Hi everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. I'm so excited to show you how to make these gorgeous spring flowers earrings using seed beads. It's a simple yet beautiful project that's perfect for the season. And best of all, you only need a few materials. Let's get started. So, for this project, you'll need a variety of seed beads, 24 gauge wire, and some earring hooks. We're going for a delicate floral design, so you'll also need wire cutters and round nose. First, take your 24 gauge wire and cut a small piece. Start threading your seed beads onto the wire, one bead at a time. Once you have a small cluster of beads, bend the wire to form the first petal of your flower. Repeat this process to create 6 or 7 petals for a full flower shape. When you have your flower assembled, grab your earring hook. Carefully open the loop of the hook with your pliers and attach it to the top of the flower. Close the loop and voila! Your spring flowers earrings are ready to wear. I hope you enjoyed making these lovely earrings. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more jewelry making tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy crafting!